Welcome to CJ Wild Money Entertainment. And if you've never been to my channel before, I'm CJ and I get happy when I get a box because I get to use my knife. And there's always something special in the box. So let's see what's inside. Cut like butter, there's a box inside the box. Okay, don't need this box. Oh, the box that I got is the Worx GT string replacer, and this is the string. 6 refill strings and 2 caps. However, this came with this top. It's a new top, and it has openings on the side, and it's a cap. So I'm gonna try the cap, and I realized that the cap came with these and screws and an L tightener. And this is how the bolts look. That goes in to the sides of here. And this is what connects onto this. Well, no instructions came, so I'm going to figure it out and do it myself, and then I'll let you know how good it worked on the Worx GTX. And if you want more about how to get these or any questions about this type of hookup, look in my description below this video or just hit me up in the comments. Okay, this is the cap. I'm removing the cap. This is how the old cap looked. And I'm removing the string. So the string comes out. Okay, I'm adding the blades and I'm screwing them into the cap. And I'm using a bolt that they gave. And to tighten it, I'm using the L tool that was also included. I'm going to do that to both sides. Back onto here, matching this up with this. There it is. So you got to push it really hard for this to match with this. And then, okay, I'm going to use it on the long grass and see how much it works. This is the after. Can't get too close to the tree. What happens when it's too close to the sidewalk, but it does cut real tall grass, but it looked like you'll go through these a lot if the grass isn't really tall. This does look like it's a little scraped up. I'm gonna see if the L will still go in here. See if it still fits in. Okay, I'm gonna put the original back on. This is the original. You make sure that these grooves is facing in, and you unfasten this and you put it through the hole. And you hold this and you place it in here. And it'll go on, and then you take the original cap and you snap it in place. And there you go. If you want to see if these are compatible to your Worx, look in my description below this video.